Hello children, welcome back to our social science class. Today let us discuss a geography lesson of 10th standard. Well, before that I have some questions for you. Can you tell me what is geography? Yeah, let me answer. Geography is the study of the earth. Studying or knowing about our earth is called as a geography. Okay, how many latitudes are there, children? There are 180 latitudes. How many? 180 latitudes are there. How many longitudes are there? Yes, there are 360 longitudes. Now you tell me what is the position and what is the extension of India? May not be knowing, no? Yes. Today let us know the location and the extension of India. So today's chapter is, I have written here, Indian position and extension, or we can say India's position and extension. Well children, our India is located in the northeastern hemisphere. I repeat, northeastern hemisphere. See, I have drawn here. Imagine this is the globe. This is the globe. And can you see this line? This is called as the equator. A very important latitude. It is equator, 0 degree equator, which divides entire earth into two parts. This one is northern hemisphere and this one is southern hemisphere. Equator divides entire earth into two parts. This one is northern hemisphere and below this one is southern hemisphere. In the same manner, there is a prime meridian. Can you see this vertical line here? Yes, this is called as a prime meridian, which divides earth again into two parts. This as western hemisphere and this is as eastern hemisphere. Western hemisphere, eastern hemisphere. Now question is, India is located in the northeastern hemisphere. This is northeastern hemisphere. So this is the location of India. So that is what we say, India is located in the northeastern hemisphere. Well children, now let us see latitudinal and longitudinal position of India. India is lying between these two latitudes and longitudes. Okay. India is extended from 8 degree 4 minutes north latitude to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude. This is the extension of India. I repeat, 8 degree 4 minutes north latitude to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude. This is the latitudinal position of India. 68 degree 7 minutes east longitude to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. 68 degree 7 minutes east longitude to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. This is the longitudinal position of India. Did you get it? Okay. So southernmost tip of India is located in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. So that is 6 degree 45 minutes north latitude. So this is the southernmost tip of India, which is located in the Andaman and Nicobar. Okay. Now, children, as I told you in the beginning that in the entire earth is divided into two parts. In the same manner, India also is divided by a latitude. That latitude name is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, or we can say 23 degree and half north latitude. This latitude divides India as northern India, southern India. North India, southern India. That is Tropic of Cancer. It is a very important latitude which passes through India. See, this is. Okay. So can you see this line here? Can you see? This line is known as 82.5 east longitude. 82.5 east longitude. It is one of the important longitude which passes through India. And Indian time is based on this line. IST. Indian Standard Time is based on 82.5 east longitude. Well children, this is about the location of India. Hope you have got it. Once again let me repeat it. India is located in the northeastern hemisphere. Northeastern hemisphere. This is northeastern hemisphere where India is located. Latitudinal position of India, longitudinal position of India. The southernmost tip of India is 6 degree 45 minutes north latitude, which is located in the Andaman and Nicobar. Can you see this line? This is the important latitude which passes through India, which divides India into North India and South India. Okay, that is known as Tropic of Cancer on 23.5 degree north latitude. And there is a vertical line, we say longitude, very important meridian passes through India, that is 82.5 east longitude. Indian time is based on this longitude, IST. Indian Standard Time is based on 82.5 east longitude. Hope you have got it, children. Now let us see the extension of India. Extension of India. India is the 7th largest country in the world. Yes, it is 7th largest country in the world. Which is the largest country in the world? Russia. Russia is the largest country in the world, followed by Canada, China, USA, Brazil, Australia, then our India. So this is the extension of India. And what is the area of India? Area 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometer. I repeat, 32 lakh 87,263 kilometer is the area of India. Okay. So what is the width and what is the length of India? See, can you see this cross here? Can you see? So this is the length, this is the width. Length is 3,214 kilometer. 3,000 length. 3,214 kilometer is the length of India. Width 2,933. 2,933 is the width of India. Hope you have got it. So this is about the extension of India. Children, now let us see the frontiers of India. Frontiers means boundaries of India. Well, India has got both land and water frontiers. Land boundaries as well as water boundaries. So India's land boundaries is about 15,200 kilometers. I repeat, India's land boundary 15,200 kilometers. In the same manner, we have water boundaries, or you can say coastal area, coastal line. India's coastal line is about 6,100 kilometers, 6,100 kilometers. It is excluding islands. Including islands, we have some islands, Lakshadweep, Andaman, Nicobar and all. Including those islands, we have 7,516.5 kilometers. 7,516.5 kilometers is the coastal line or water frontiers of India. Okay. Now, finally, let us see the neighboring countries of India. We have neighboring countries. Which are the neighboring countries of India? Pakistan and Afghanistan. Pakistan and Afghanistan are located in the northwest. This is northwest. Northwest of India. Pakistan, Afghanistan in the northwest of India. In the north of India, Nepal, Bhutan and China. This is the north of India, no? In the north of India, Nepal, Bhutan and China. Bangladesh and Myanmar are located in the west of India. This is west. Sorry, east. In the east of India. In the east of India, Bangladesh and Myanmar are located. Finally, Sri Lanka is located in the southeast. This is southeast direction. In the southeast of India, Sri Lanka is located. And Sri Lanka is separated by Pak Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. So these are the neighboring countries of. Well children, now let us see the administrative divisions of India. for the smooth functioning of administration, we have divided entire India into 29 states and 7 union territories. Yes, earlier we had 29 states and 7 union territories. At present, we have 28 states and 8 union territories. Delhi. Delhi is the national capital territory of India. Delhi is the national capital territory of India. Rajasthan stands first area-wise. Largest state in the country is Rajasthan. Smallest state in the country is Goa. Hope children you have understood the